Hey all, today we got something new to try out. This is the Hardell Screw Nut Gun, better known as a Rivet Nut Gun, and let's open it up and check it out. Let's get this box open. Need to get rid of it. This is the Hardell. They have many different rivet guns. This is the Screw Nut Gun Professional. It comes with an assortment of size Rivet Nuts, and it comes with the gun and all the attachments that it needs to use all these Rivet Nuts. So this is a 5/16 18. Let's see what else we got in there in the box here. 1024. I think that's the smallest size it comes with. Over here on the metric side, we got M10, M6, M8, we got 1/4 20, and then we got the biggest one is 3/8 16. That's a pretty big one. So yeah, these ain't the little Rivet Nuts that you use for your, like say your screen door. These are just a little bit bigger than that. 1024 might do it, but I think on the screen door it's 1032. Anyway, let's see what we got here. We got all these Rivet Nuts. I think there's like 10 pieces for each size, something like that. This looks like more than 10 pieces on this one. 5/16 18. That might be more common size. Let's open it up and check it out. Alright. This looks like a quality piece here. See, we got the here we got the actual rivet gun. Looks like it's made out of these are solid handles. You see how it works. This is the 1024 size, previous already installed. If we want to install a new one, we got a wrench here. There's a couple different things that this wrench does. There's a pin inside here that you knock out, and you take off the tip here like this. This is like you can't pull that tip out unless you knock this pin out. They have an extra pin here in the box in case you lose it. So you just knock that out. Now you can take out your piece here. It's 1024. And we can put the next size in, which is 1/4 20. So let's put the 1/4 20 in. So stick it in like that. I'm going to put the pin in, and then we're going to put this nut on top. No need to make it extra tight. It's just there for right. And then you have an adjustment back here if you need it. This is for taking off the rivet nut once you got it set, right? So yeah, let's keep these pieces together. This is our 1/4 20, 1024. Let's pop that in there. Wrench back. Alright, so if we got our 1/4 20, which is what we just put on, pop one of these out of the bag. You would put this into your hole. Your hole would have to be the size of this RivNut, not quarter-20 hole. Then you put this on, open it up, Now you could screw it in like this. Or you can screw it in like this. But once it's in, you'll be needing this to unscrew it. Capiche? And then you just pull down, and it's going to crimp this into whatever you're putting it in. Metal, wood, plastic. Let me see if we have something to try it out in. I'm going to leave that on there. Okay, so I got a block of wood here. I drilled a hole in it. I used a 3/8 bit. It's fits a little bit loose, but I think it should work. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Yeah? Got it in there. Let's pull. We don't want to break anything. Okay, so now we could unscrew. You can see it held in there pretty good. So you don't want to make the hole too tight or too loose. They didn't leave any guidelines on what drill bits to use, but you can see that's in there really good. And that's not coming out. And that hole was a little bit loose. So, and on the other end, you could countersink it and make this flush if you wanted to. You could use this for all kinds of things. Building stuff. You could use it for repairing something that has a rivet nut that's spun out, or anything like that. Let's get a 1/4" 20 knob. Let's see what we got. Sure, I got something over here. There goes something. So yeah. So yeah, that's not coming out. That's not coming out. That's pretty good. So like I said, it comes with all these sizes. You got 4-inch sizes and 3 metric sizes, enough to handle almost any job. You can get replacement stuff online. Hardell makes a pretty nice product. Like I said, these are solid. I guess they're steel, maybe aluminum. It's hard to tell with the paint on the cover. Let's get a magnet and see. Magnet. It's a magnet. Yeah, so these arms are solid steel. This is cast aluminum up top. And of course the head's steel. So that's about it. There's many things you could do with this thing. Check it out. This is if you wanted to make it tighter, or if you had to go, you know, there's a lot of adjustments to be made. Anyway, I'm going to put the 1024 back in. So we take the tip off again. Alright. Open up the box. Let's get the 1024 out. Let's get the wrench. You could pop the pin out. It's a good thing they come with an extra pin, huh? I can see this thing getting lost, bouncing around somewhere. So now you can take the 1/4 die out. Get the 1024 die in. pin back in. Pin holds in pretty good. Then put the collar back on. The right collar. That's the 1/4 20-inch collar, and this is the 1024 collar. Alright guys, so that's about it for the Hardell screw nut gun, Rivet Nut Gun. It's a quality piece. Like I said, these handles are solid steel, and you ain't breaking those. So the next weakest point will be these pins, and they're I guess they're at least 1/4 inch pins. Yeah, they look like 1/4 20s, right? Yeah. Probably metric, but yeah, about the 1/4 inch size. So that would be hard to break. These would be hard to break. On this will be the easiest thing to break, the 1024 tip. The other tips are pretty strong looking. So let's put our 1/4 20 back to where it goes. Put the machine back where it goes. The wrench has a place. The only thing that doesn't have a place is all these tips. There's no way we're fitting them in here. Not even one bag. So we'll have to find a little case for the pieces. Well, anyway, that's it. That's the Hardell screw nut gun, professional Rivet Nut Gun with, I don't know, at least I think it's 100 pieces it comes with. So yeah, you get all the instructions you need here. Yeah, there's 100 nuts, 1 Rivet Nut tool, 7 metric and inch mandrels, 1 wrench, 1 carrying case, 1 sheath. I don't know what the sheath is. Anyway, there you go. Main material is aluminum alloy. Like I said, those arms look aluminum, but they're steel. We put a magnet on them, we showed you. Full instructions how to use it. You could use this for a lot of things. And if you need one, you need one. So anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.